Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to remove all other devices which device has the access of your Gmail account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily remove Gmail account from all other devices. To do that, just open your Gmail app on your phone. Now just tap here on this profile icon here on the top right corner. Now from here, just tap on this manage your Gmail account. Now scroll this tab a little bit and you can see there is an option for security. Just tap on this tab. On this page, just scroll down and look for your devices, this, and just tap on this manage all devices. From here you can see all the devices which has the access of your Gmail account. Now if you want to remove anyone from here, let's say I want to remove this, so just tap on this. Now you can see there is an option for signing out or sign out. Just tap on this and confirm that you want to sign out for that particular device. Now you can see we have already removed our Gmail from this device. So basically this is how you can remove the Gmail address from all the other devices. This is how you can easily remove your Gmail account from all other devices. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.